set that one up perfectly. Carlos with a drive to left field. A line shot and deep into the corner. It hits the base of the wall. Anderson Hernandez is being waved home. Relay throw to the plate. Not in time, and it's 1-0 Houston on an RBI double by Lee. And Jimmy Rollins made that relay throw on the run from foul territory. Made it pretty close. He had a quick release. But Hernandez scores, and it's 1-0.
Have a 2 out to Anderson Hernandez, moving with the swing here. It's kind of a lazy line drive, if there is such a thing, into that left field corner. Didn't think he got enough to get it out of here, but it didn't miss by much. And Ibanez is not particularly fleet of foot, so it took him a while to get over there, and then he just airmails that throw in. And Rollins does a real nice job of getting to it and at least